Now, we already discussed about the homozygous and heterozygous terms. I hope you understand homozygous, what is meant by homozygous and heterozygous. I repeat again, the next two terminology, that is the pure line and the hybrid. These two terminology, it is related to that of the homozygous and heterozygous. Okay, means we know that is what is homozygous. Homo means what? Same. Homo means what? Same. In which what happened? The alleles are same. What is same? That is the alleles are same. The alleles are same म्हणजे we already said that is the homozygous means what? In which it is the same allele which is present on the chromosome. Homozygous means what? The alleles which is present at a pure form. alleles जे आहे ते कसे असणार आहे? प्युअर फॉर्ममध्ये. we already discussed about the one of example, that is the eye color, that is the capital B which is responsible, or it denoted for the brown color, and both are the homozygous or dominant alleles which is present, same alleles which are present on the pair of chromosome, which is called as the homozygous. And this homozygous condition, which is called as one of the term, that is the pure line, in which what happened, or what we are saying, that is the individual means what? The single species, one of the individual single species or group of the species or group of individual. Okay, individual or group of individuals. यस लावलेलं म्हणजे ते एकापेक्षा जास्त असणार, मीन्स पॉप्युलेशन. सम ऑफ द पॉप्युलेशन म्हणजे मीन्स नंबर्स ऑफ द स्पेसीस ऑफ द वन ऑफ द सिंगल स्पेसीस, दॅट इज द टायगर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल टायगर आहे, तर इथे काय आहे, एकापेक्षा जास्त आहे म्हणून त्याला आपण पॉप्युलेशन म्हणू, किंवा त्याच पॉप्युलेशनमधलं एक सिंगल स्पेसिस म्हणू, दॅट इज द इंडिव्हिज्युअल और ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स. दॅट इज द पॉप्युलेशनमधलं एक ग्रुप आहे. ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल म्हणजे काय म्हणू आपण त्याला? पॉप्युलेशन. दॅट इज होमोझायगस और ट्रू ब्रीडिंग फॉर वन और मोर ट्रेट. म्हणजे इट इज हॅविंग, we already discussed, that is one of the brown, B and B, these are the pure line, or it is the true breeding and it having to that of the brown color. Okay, small b which is also responsible for the blue color, and it is the pure in a line of pure breed for one trait. Okay, then second आहे hybrid means what? In which it is this hybrid which is seen into that of the heterozygous condition, where it is seen in the heterozygous condition. Heterozygous condition means what? There is a alleles are different. alleles कसे असणार आहे? Different. And this hybrid which is related to that of the heterozygous allele. So that the definition which is called as it is one of the heterozygous individual which is produced from any cross involve the pure parent having one or more contrasting trait. Means what? When we take one of the example, capital T, it is responsible for the tall, and cross with that of the small t, it is responsible for the dwarf. When we cross to that of these two parent, at that time we have to take the gamete capital T, small t, याच्यामधले आपण क्रॉसिंग केलं. इथे आपल्याला यामधला एक घेतला, इथला एक अलेल घेतला, कॅपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, इट फॉर्म द हायब्रिड फॉर्म. ओके, इथे काय मिळालं आपल्याला? हायब्रिड. व्हाय वी आर सेइंग दैट इट इज द टॉल, because dominant allele which is present. इथे काय प्रेझेंट आहे? कॅपिटल टी which is responsible, which is denoted to that of the dominant character, means tall, and small t which is denoted to that of the dwarf. and when dominant character is present, the recessive character which is not expressed in presence of dominant character, but it form the hybrid tall. Why it is called as the hybrid? Because it is not a pure line, or it is not a pure offspring. मीन्स प्युअर कधी असणार जेव्हा कॅपिटल टी कॅपिटल इट इज हॅविंग टू प्युअर और होमोजायगस कंडिशन. बट इन द हायब्रिड व्हाट हॅपन, individual or group of individual which is produced from any cross involving the pure parent having one or more contrasting trait. म्हणजे यामध्ये काय आहे की जेव्हा क्रॉसिंग होत आहे तर क्रॉसिंग होत असताना इथे काय पाहिजे की जे दोन आपण पॅरेंट्स घेतले, एक मेल पॅरेंट घेतला आणि एक फिमेल पॅरेंट घेतला, याच्यामध्ये क्रॉसिंग करताना प्युअर ट्रेट दिसते आपल्याला. मीन्स बोथ आर द होमोझायगस इन नेचर. मीन्स वेन homozygous allele cross to each other, at that time it form the hybrid form, or it is not pure in a nature. It is not pure in a nature. It is called as the hybrid form, or it is also called as the hybrid. Understand? Hybrid means what? That is one of the dominant and one of the recessive. Means heterozygous condition मध्ये जे alleles दिसतात, that is called as the hybrid form. Okay. Then the next आहे आता monohybrid. When we discuss about the monohybrid means what? In which it is one of the heterozygous. आता hybrid आलं म्हणजे काय येणार इथे heterozygous, आणि heterozygous it is one of the heterozygous for one trait. Means mono means what? Single. Mono means what? Single. Means it is the one of heterozygous for one trait, and it produces in cross between two pure parents differing in a single pair of contrasting character. For example, we already discussed about the hybrid tall produced in a cross between the pure tall or the dwarf plant. Monohybrid आलं का लक्षात? Monohybrid means what? That is the mono means single, and hybrid means what? That is the hybrid form, or it is one of the heterozygous for one trait. It is one of the heterozygous for one trait. म्हणजे सिंगल कॅरेक्टरसाठी प्रोड्यूस केले जाते इन द क्रॉस बिटवीन द टू प्युअर पॅरेंट डिफरिंग इन अ सिंगल पेअर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कॅरेक्टर. जसे हे एक्झाम्पल घेतलं आहे, सिंगल कॅरेक्टर्स आर क्रॉस and it form one of the hybrid, that is called as a monohybrid.